Hi everyone. Okay, I got this in the mail today and I'm so excited because I want to see what this monthly kit looks like. Remember, I don't look at the kits, I open it with you guys. So let's see what we get. Oh gosh, so excited. So this is a little sample sheet. Thanks for being a member. Here's your free gift. Please enjoy one of these 3 clear stamp sets. We'd love to see what you're making. So, oh, cool. I'll have to do that because I made one. So, oh, I got a free stamp, you guys. Okay, I must admit, I love free stuff. I mean, if we're going to pay that kind of money for things, getting a free thing every once in a while is awesome. And it's something that makes my heart pitter patter. Ooh, and I like it. I love the handwriting of this. So, this is an awesome set. Thank you, Spellbinders. So, this is the Spellbinders monthly kit. FSJ, which is Fun Stamper's Journey, has their own monthly kit, card kit, which is called the Bloom Box. I don't really care for the Bloom Box. I never have. And when FSJ merged with Spellbinders, I knew I wanted this card kit so bad because Spellbinders card kit, because they have a better card kit in my opinion. So that won't get me any love from any, from FSJ people, but hey, the truth is the truth in my opinion. Okay, so that's just, I like this one more. So these are the little samples. So this tells you what you get. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, so you get twine, 2 different kinds of twine. I'm fixing the settings on my camera, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, guys. I love the fact that you get 10 cards and 10 envelopes. That is amazing to me. That is just amazing. Okay, so I'm going to have to fix this filter thing. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see if that helps. But I did an autofocus kind of thing. I'm going to have to get rid of that before I film my PL video next. Okay, so let's see the stamp set. It's called Winter Wishes. Ooh, and it's a mason jar. I love mason jars. I just love them so much. In fact, my PL this week has a mason jar. It has a bear, which could be a polar bear, because that's what I think Dory looks like, a polar bear. So that's what I call her, my little polar bear. So that's perfect. Happy holidays. It's got like a sugar cookie kind of snowflake. Did I put this too dark? Because I just learned this little function. I'm excited about that one. Okay. Maybe I'll put it right there. Okay. And then we get a paper pad, 6x6 paper pad, which is called Winter Wishes. I think that's the whole kit, right? Winter Wishes is the whole kit. So let's see what the, ooh, it's got like copper foil. To me it looks coppery, so hopefully that's right. Do you guys want to see it a little bit closer? Let me put you in. Okay, so yeah, it's coppery, more foil. I love foil. And then this rustic looking barn door kind of thing. I love that. Music notes, trees. Oh, I love the deer. The deer are so cute. Oh, and I love this color. It's like a dark walnut with a tan. And this is a gold foil. Snowflakes. This is a house, and then yeah, this is like a tan. It's a tan and gray, it looks like. And then I think we get like 3 of the same pattern. Three or yeah, I think 3. I'm pretty sure. I don't remember seeing a pink one. This has a pink in it. Was there a pink in the other one? But we get 3 for sure. So, did I miss the pink one? Oh, I did miss the pink. So, good. Oh, I'm glad, because I love that pink. It's pretty. So, we get 3 of each of those patterns, which is cool. And I love getting these. These are awesome to get. They're the foam dots. And remember, all of this is usable. So that's cool. And then, oh, look, so this must be standard that you get the foam dots and you get the double-sided tape. This is double-sided tape that, you know, you just tear off. That's cool. Oh, and look at, you get a dark walnut and a, I'm sure there's like technical colors that they call it, but hey, you know. Let's see, will it focus? There it is. It's glittery and beautiful, but this is a dark walnut. I don't know what it looks like right now, but on the camera it looks silver and black. But no, it is a dark walnut, and this is like a tan. So I'm kind of, well, I'm brown, so I'm a milk chocolate, and yeah, I'm more of this color right here. So that's how washed out the camera is. But get the drift, right? And we get enamel dots and stars. I love that. Ooh, and we get, okay, and then we get the paper. Let me do the little things, that way we can still stay in what do I want to say? We can still stay in close contact with this stuff. So we got foil. Now when things like this are kind of wrinkled, sometimes they get ruined in the mail or whatever. You know, I don't sweat the small stuff. I really don't. I mean, geez, if you're gonna sweat that kind of stuff, then I can't help you. But all I do is I just add extra glue and put it down and just, you know, flatten it out, and it'll be fine. So, you know, that's fine. Not a big deal. And then this has little, like a string of lights. There we go. Ooh, I found that word. Let's celebrate. Oh, look at this deer. The deer. Snowflakes. Oh, look at how cute that is. That is a, oh, that's not going to help. That is a snow, like a cap with the deer horns on it. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. Wishes. Best. A little row of houses. Yeah, a little row of houses. And a Christmas tree, or a tree in general. Oh, look at that. It's cool for Dory. That's a good one for Dory. It's a polar bear. A bird. Oh, this is like a log with the snowflake in it. More snowflakes for you. Snowflakes. Winter wishes, right? So a lot of people have snow. I live in Northern California, well, more like Central California, but we just call it Northern California, and we don't get snow here. So, and we went to New York last week, and there was absolutely no snow. And then day after we left, there was snow. I'm like, are you kidding me? So I was so sad. I want to see the snow. I've never been in a snow like, we went to the snow once when my kids were little, but we only went one day and that was it. And we've never been back, and my kids are, you know, 26 and 20, and my son was, I think, 2. So yeah, it's been a long time. I really want to use my snow stuff. I'm bound and determined, though, to use my snow stuff by next year. So, love the tags. Those are awesome. I love how much ephemera you get. That is really awesome. Okay, let me scooch it back out. Oop, wrong way. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, right? So, and then you get textured. All the cardstock is like textured. So you get brown textured, and then you get like this copper. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That is a coppered. These are all 8.5 by 11. I know I'm still zoomed in, but it's okay because that way you could see. That's a white. This is a vanilla. A black. A baby blue. And a... Wait, is this considered baby blue? And this one's considered more like... I don't know. But you can see the contrast, right? So this is a blue, this is a blue. But this is more like a... I don't know, a lighter blue. So yeah, and then we get the alphabet. Oh, I love, these are puffy. They feel puffy. I hope they're puffy. I love that. So awesome. So we get an alphabet. And the peace and love resistance. I said that all wrong, but that's okay. So I love getting the die. Now remember, this kit each month is awesome because it is $35 even. Like even. That's with shipping. And I love that. And you get all of this for $35. I'm happy with that because seriously, I want a lot for $35 and I feel like I get that. So look, I got a polar bear now. I got my own little polar bear die. So that's Buzz snoring. So that's the bulldog. And look at how many dies you get. This is a scarf, so you can put a scarf on I believe. A Christmas tree. You get little sentiments. Oh, look, is that an extra leg? Oh, I think that's an extra leg. I don't have any nails, so I can't pick that up without help. I need tweezers. Let's see. Oh, look, you get a little pear, and you get little you have to be careful with these too, so because you might lose the parts and pieces. So Spellbinders sells one of those diamond magnetic diamond thing, like at Michael's or something. Get it at Michael's for like, you know, use the 50% off coupon. And then make sure you put it on there when you're using it so you don't lose any of the little parts. This says, I think this is winter. And this one says wishes. And this one says, I don't know. I can't tell what this one is. Worm? It probably doesn't say worm, but I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you think it says? Let's see. What do you think it says? I don't know. But I don't. Where's the a worm? Oh yeah, it is a worm. Well, no, it's warm, not worm. Warm winter wishes. So it's right here. See, warm winter wishes. That's what it'll spell out. And it's a nice font. I like how pretty that is. I like that handwriting. So talented. So awesome. So all of this, you guys, for 35 bucks. I think the kit is still in the store. So I'm going to link it up. And, you know, I would say try and get it ASAP because they do sell out pretty fast. Like the Christmas one did. Alright guys, so take care until next month. And I hope you get a kit. Either through me or through anybody else. Or just whatever you want to do. So you guys, Merry Christmas. We will see you all next year. Alright, Happy New Year everyone. Bye.